Hi everybody, my name is Michelle Peterson and I have chosen the topic of the Khyber Pass for my presentation this week. As I was thinking about how I wanted to present this, the thought came to my mind of if there was ever a question on Jeopardy about the Khyber Pass, would I be able to answer it correctly? And I know for sure that I wouldn't, but one of the questions that they have had is, only 50 feet wide at some points, the Khyber Pass links Pakistan with this country. I'm hoping by the end of this presentation, you'll be able to answer this question easily and know some other facts about the Khyber Pass. Some of the general facts about it: it is the main route between Afghanistan and Pakistan, and it's just over 32 miles long. The main crossing is at an elevation of about 3,500 feet, and the entire pass is in Pakistan. There is an alternate route should you need to travel between Afghanistan and Pakistan. It is called the Bolan Pass. However, it is over 365 miles south of the Khyber Pass. It does, however, cross the same mountain range. Here is a short video that I wanted to show. This was done in 2013, and it does talk about some of the dangers of traveling on the pass.
Each day, approximately 8,000 trucks use this strategic road, which connects Afghanistan to Pakistan through the historic Khyber Pass. Rarely accessible to foreign journalists, it has become one of the most dangerous supply routes in the world ever since NATO started using it post 9/11. As 2014, the year of withdrawal of forces from Afghanistan approaches, these trucks that carry military equipment are struggling to find drivers.
I have a family and young children. I can't risk my life. The Taliban will attack me if I take NATO supplies.
Arshad Khan, the Pakistani Transporters Union representative, says majority of the drivers are declining NATO supply contracts even though they offer better pay.
It's a very lucrative business, especially now. There is more money in supplying for NATO. Earlier they gave us almost 800 euros, now it's 4 times more. Same for the driver. But if everyone gets killed, what's the point?
So as we saw in that video, the Taliban is a big danger of traveling on that pass. More than 3/4 of all the food, fuel, and war material destined for American and NATO troops went through that pass. Today, it has changed. They have found other routes that they are able to get those supplies to the military. They are longer and more costly, but they are safer, and these include the Baltic ports and the Russian railways. Another danger are natural disasters. They have landslides, heavy snowfall, and avalanches on the Khyber Pass. Some of these will close off sections of the pass so it's not passable. There are large patches of ice, a lot during the year, which makes it dangerous as well. The actual roads are very dangerous. They're curvy and narrow. There are twisty hairpin corners, high elevations and steep grades. One of the main risks is that you'll come around a blind corner and you'll see that there is a vehicle coming right at you, and that there are so many trucks that travel that can cause a very precarious situation for the driver. Another risk is the weapons. They are very easily accessible on the pass. They are unlicensed, and the most common ones are copies of British military firearms. Counterfeit ammunition is also available. You can also find AK-47s, grenades, mortars. So being able to buy that would be dangerous if anybody could get their hands on those. Hopefully you were able to learn a little bit more about the Khyber Pass, and should you watch Jeopardy again and see another question about it, hopefully you'll be able to answer it based on the things that you've learned in this presentation. Thank you very much.